Hey everyone, Jordan here with 9 to 5 Toys, and today we have something pretty interesting. This is a special box that Xbox and Warner Brothers has sent over to show some new controllers which are related to a game for their upcoming movie Space Jam: A New Legacy. This movie is set to come out in theaters and streaming on HBO Max on July 16th. And there's also going to be a game for Xbox which is available on Xbox Game Pass Ultimate starting July 1st, and then available more widely on July 15th. Last year, Xbox teamed up with Bugs Bunny and LeBron James to search for fan-submitted ideas and teamed up with video game developer Digital Eclipse to put this together ahead of the movie's July 16th launch date. Space Jam: A New Legacy, the game, features characters from the movie and is styled like an older arcade beat-em-up title. Navigate well-known characters across 2D levels to defeat the bad guys. It has some real Turtles in Time vibes to it, which was such a fun arcade game to play. I love the classic style and I'm really excited to give it a try when it does become available on July 1st on Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So Xbox and Warner Brothers have sent over this package for us to take a look at. They say they have 3 specially designed controllers in here, so we're going to do an unboxing and check those out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, so I guess without further ado, let's open this box up. I am going to turn it here. I believe it opens up the other way. And we'll check that overhead cam. Everything's looking good. Alright. Oh my goodness. And here we go. Alright, I'm going to have to move my microphone a little bit so we can see this. So here, first off, we have a specially signed 12-month Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. It's been signed by Bugs Bunny. You can check that out here. Alright, so that's the first thing we have. And then, wow, we also have a little action figure. So, LeBron action figure here. Check that out. Looks pretty sweet. Alright, so obviously on here it says, "Try me." You can push on his shirt. And he'll make some different noises. He's got a few different things he'll make. Set that off to the side. Okay, and then we have the 3 different controllers. Move this box a little bit, we can get a better peek of those. And let's start with this top one up here. We'll pull that out. Here you can get an idea of what that looks like. Alright, so opening that up, we have a pretty cool design on this thing. So Toon Squad, it says across the top. Pretty unique colorway. Everything else, I mean, this is just kind of that updated design with that share button here in the middle. And there's some nice textures on the back as well for grip. And has a pretty neat looking colorway there. All right, we'll put that one back in the box. Okay, the next up, this controller. All right, what are they calling this here? Goon Squad, so purple and black. We can get a better idea of what that looks like. Same controller, same buttons and features and everything, just some different colors on here. So the Goon Squad is purple and black, and some pretty interesting colorways on there. So it looks pretty cool. All right. The third one here, Space Jam: A New Legacy. This one doesn't really say anything else on it. Oh, this is the Serververse, so exclusive here. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, wow. So a lot of kind of technical designs on the top, a little more kind of like circuitry, a little more computer focused than the more kind of cartoony designs on the other ones. And it has a pretty nice black and this teal colorway, looks pretty sharp. You know, show the other side. All right, so these are some pretty exciting little controllers. You know, it's exciting to see some exclusives like this. Obviously, Space Jam was such a fun movie, the original, and so really excited to see this new Space Jam: A New Legacy and see how all of these different controllers line up with everything. Let's take a closer look at this LeBron James action figure here. 4 accessories included: an Acme mallet, an Acme blocker, basket boom, and a basketball. So you can see all those different things in there. You can see the mallet, you can see the bombs and the different things. It looks like the bomb and the basketball can go up here in these arms. And then obviously he's going to have a bunch of phrases and different things from the movie as well. And taking a closer look at this Xbox Bugs Bunny Game Pass card here, that's pretty cool as well. Kind of a little collectible looking kind of thing. All right, and we'll line up the controllers. Obviously we have the 3 different ones here. We've got the Toon Squad, the Goon Squad, and the Serververse. So which one would you choose if you were picking up one of these controllers? Definitely let us know which one is your favorite. And once again, just want to say thank you to Warner Brothers and Microsoft for sending these over for us to check out. As a reminder, the movie is set to come out on July 16th. The game, Space Jam: A New Legacy, is coming out on July 1st for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and then available, I think, July 15th more widely. And these controllers are going to be available on July 8th for purchase. And you'll be able to find those on Amazon or the Microsoft Store for $70. So definitely check those out. I'm sure we'll be posting again when those do go live. All right, and that'll do it for our quick look at this new bundle of controllers from Microsoft and Warner Brothers for the upcoming Space Jam: A New Legacy movie. Let us know what you think about them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9to5 Toys.